Alright, so what we doing? We do a SoundCloud interview real quick first, and just get, you know what I'm saying? But we live on that. Like, yeah, man, my SoundCloud is popping.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
In the studio today, we have Leedy. Now, a lot of people might not know who Leedy is, so I'm gonna give him an opportunity to come introduce himself. What's up, fam?
What's going on, man? How you doing out there, man?
You know how we do, man. Studio life, man.
Okay. Yeah, man, this Leedy, man, you know what I'm saying? We got a big battle coming up at the Soapbox on the 23rd. Not too sure about when it's going, what time the door's gonna be open. You know, good luck to Be Easy, you feel me?
Okay. Yeah, man. Hey, so like pretty much, man, tell them the name of your crew, what you represent, where you from, where you come from, where you be, what you do.
Alright, well, first off, we're with Black and White Entertainment Incorporated. You know what I mean? We got a great group of dudes that's doing it bigger than anybody right now. You know what I'm saying?
Shout outs to Black and White Entertainment.
You know what I'm saying? You know, we work with everybody. You know what I'm saying? So I actually saw Be Easy on that number 2, and I'm hungry, so I'm about to, we about to eat it.
Okay, well, yeah. So basically, when I called you about the battle, I remember you called me back, and you was more interested in you wanted to get the thing together about the pretty much you wanted to know the bet.
Yeah, man. So I mean, yeah, I said I don't battle for free. You know what I'm saying? I ain't battling for free. You know what I'm saying? Put your money up. If you ain't on Cassidy level, Moot level, Reed Dollars level, Beans, anybody that's doing it like that, yeah. You know what I'm saying? That you ain't fucking with me. You know what I'm saying? And I already listened to the video. I listened to all his music, and I mean, it sound pretty good, but I ain't impressed. You know what I'm saying? So we about to do it.
Okay, now before this, I remember I had called you and I was asking you about battling K Clips, and you had stated to me that you knew K Clips and that you was really willing to take that battle.
Yeah, I mean, I listened to K Clips. Actually, I listened to K Clips and Sonic B's mixtape. This was about 3 years ago before I joined the Army. You know what I'm saying? And so, this nigga K Clips, he said he wasn't gonna battle me. You know what I mean? And I understand, because he would have got 8.
I tried to remind him. I tried to ask him who you were and whatnot. I don't know if maybe if you tell him the name that he used to call you or whatever, because I explained to him somebody named Leedy, and he wasn't picking up on that.
He's not going to know who I am for one reason. Before I was actually doing anything musically, I was getting ready to get in the Army. So right when I knew who he was, I bought his mixtape from Bless. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know who Bless is?
Yeah, shout out to Bless.
Shout out to Bless, baby. Bless. What it do, man? I'm back now. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, doctor.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, who is this right here? Come here.
We got
Come. Who's this on there?
Bounce, come
this is Bounce the Promotional King, and the reason why I'm saying fuck Doc Bless, yo, you got me on that video, yo.
Yeah, you on it.
You owe me on that video. We shot a video. You didn't give me my video. Only reason why we got bad terms, your work good, but other than that, fuck you.
Damn, I guess you heard that.
Oh man, that shit getting out of control.
Well, okay, well y'all heard that.
Big up to the media doctor. I'm still rolling with you, fam. Okay. All right, we're gonna keep it. All right, now back to you. Okay, so K Clips. Okay, you brought K Clips CD from Doc Bless.
Yeah, I bought a CD. I listened to it. He had a freestyle on there from Show Me What You Got by that Jay-Z, and I mean, like, you know, bars was average. I look forward to taking anybody in the ring. You know what I'm saying? I'm hungry. Let's do it.
All right, that's what's up. Well, you heard it here. What will happen? March 23rd, we shall see. But and also you said you